Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pudding Pinoy style. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 10 egg yolks, 1 can of condensed milk, and 1 can of evaporated milk. For the caramel, have 1 cup of granulated sugar ready. Make sure you also have a anura, which is a traditional oval-shaped mold, or any heat-proof dish for steaming. This simple list will get us started on our delicious dessert. Now, let's prepare the rich custard base. Carefully separate 10 egg yolks from their whites, as we only need the yolks for this recipe. In a bowl, gently whisk the egg yolks with the entire can of condensed milk and the evaporated milk until just combined. Do not overmix, as we want to avoid too many air bubbles. For an extra smooth flan, strain this mixture through a fine mesh sieve into another bowl. Next, we'll create that beautiful, sweet caramel topping. Place your anura or mold directly over low heat. Pour in 1 cup of granulated sugar and let it melt slowly without stirring. Once it starts to liquefy and turn a golden amber, carefully swirl the anura to coat the entire bottom surface evenly. Be cautious, as the caramel will be very hot. This step adds a wonderful depth of flavor to our flan. Finally, it's time to cook our Pinoy-style pudding. Once your caramel has cooled and hardened slightly, carefully pour the strained custard mixture over it in the anura. Cover the anura tightly with aluminum foil. Steam the flan for about 30 to 45 minutes, or until it is firm to the touch. Let it cool completely, then chill it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours before inverting it onto a serving plate. Enjoy your homemade lech flan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.